Welcome to Truway Labs. We are a division of Truway providing STEM education. But what exactly is STEM? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM is important because it relates to our lives. Science is everywhere in the world around us. Technology is continuously expanding into every aspect of our lives. Why is STEM education so important? STEM education creates critical thinkers and enables the next generation of innovators. Our program is about to discover Internet of Things, or IoT. We are working with multiple platforms, and one is called Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on an easy to use hardware and software. Our students can practice and take action of the physical world. Open a real computer. Work with a tiny computer called microcontrollers. Interact with sensors like thermostats, timers, remote controls. Discover electronic parts like breadboards, capacitors, LEDs, and more. Build circuits to convert electrical energy in physical energy. Learn computer language coding. Invent products. Teamwork and be ready to compete. Today, we have two special guests who were a part of Truway Labs experience last summer. We will be asking them questions based on their personal experience here at Truway Labs. Thank you, Santiago, for being here. We have a couple questions for you. One of my questions is, what were your expectations with this course?
Hello everybody, my name is Santiago Casilla and I was a student in Truway Labs. I am in 11th grade and one of my expectations from this class was to learn a lot more about the computer system and how it operates. I also wanted to learn a little bit more about IoT, which is Internet of Things.
The second question for you is, how was the experience during the course working with Arduino?
The experience that I had during the course was that it was something very unique because I've never done anything like this before. It really opened my mind up to new things of engineering and the IoT. I learned a lot more about hardware, software, digital, analog, and much more.
The last question for you. What was the final project?
At the end of the Truway course, we were assigned a partner in the project to do and to show our parents what we have accomplished and what we have learned. My partner and I were assigned a project called the Zoetrope. A zoetrope is an animation which shows a series of pictures going in motion due to a motor showing frames per second. We use the motor to power our zoetrope and to show the frames per second as showing it was in motion. We use the Arduino IDE program to code our zoetrope.
Santiago, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you very much for having me in this presentation, and I will see you in the next class.
I am Christian Castaneda, and I was a student of Truway Labs, and I'll be a freshman next year.
Christian, thank you for accepting the invitation. I have a similar question as Santiago. The first question is, what were your expectations with this course?
My expectations for the Truway Labs course was to learn how to use electrical components and coding.
Thank you, Christian. The second question is, how was your experience during this course working with Arduino?
My experience in the Truway Labs course was that we learned what we were going to do today, and then with my partner, we went hands-on to build what we had learned today. Also, we built circuits using breadboard to connect to Arduino, powered by the computer.
Oh, excellent, Christian. And the last question for you, What was your final project?
My assignment at the end of the Truway course was called the motorized pinwheel. The motorized pinwheel was like a windmill. When you press the button, it would go fast in circles. When we presented our project that we had built, we showed our parents what we built, showing videos and making a presentation for them.
Christian, thanks for sharing with us your experience and your time. Christian and Santiago, thank you very much for being with us in Truway Labs. And thank you everyone who is watching this video. Goodbye.